Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'll be unboxing this Pandora bracelet. And hubby got me this for Valentines. I'm really excited to share it with you guys, so let's just unbox this. So that's how this looks like. It's a very nice Pandora bag with a bow on the top. So let's just quickly get rid of it. So inside you can see there is a tissue and a box. So here is the box in which I have my bracelet, and here's the bag which says thank you. Really excited to see what's inside. So once you open this, you see this felt kind of pouch which has the bracelet, and it's really good. It takes care of the bracelet so that it doesn't have any scratches or anything while storage. And this thing is also felt kind of thing, so you can store your bracelet like this too. So let's open up and see what I got. Ta-da! So guys, this is the bracelet I got, and it was for $125, and these heads are removable. You can switch these out, and these are like clips which I brought all the way here because I quite like the look. But you can bring them here as well. You can add charms. I was quite confused. I was not able to think what charms I want in there, so I just got this bracelet, and I thought I'll just add the charms later. So that's what I got for Valentine's, a little beautiful gift from my husband. I really appreciate it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll catch you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.